Hello everyone, welcome to module of interviewing for success, step number 3. In this module, we are going to learn how to answer common questions in an interview, ways to practice for an interview, and there are going to be some practice assignments. I hope you have checked our video number 1 and video number 2, in which you learn the basics of interview and also communication skills. Here I would like to add one tip that whenever you feel that a certain point is important, please note it down. Let's move to how to answer common questions successfully. Be clear, concise, and deliver with confidence. Give relevant focus on each question. Be loud enough in your tone and boost your confidence to be successful. Confidence is going to be the key. So be ready to showcase the confidence. How to answer 7 common questions in an interview. Tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? What motivates you? How do you evaluate success? Why did you leave your last job? What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? These are going to be the most widely asked questions in an interview. Let's take an example. Tell me about yourself, or can you tell me a little about yourself? A fresher would answer as, "Good morning, my name is Nisha Agarwal. I am a software engineer. I studied from D.Y. Patil College. I am a people person. I really like meeting new people and having a small talk. I would love to come across my new teammates and share different things. I enjoy solving puzzles and crosswords. I think that's how I improve my vocabulary skills." You can add your own touch as per your background. An experienced person would say, "Good morning, my name is Nishan Bhagat. I work with Nestle, India and overseas as a training manager. I am efficient and organized. I take care of small things like desktop file organizing as per need, organizing my drawers of my cubicle and managing documents on my profile. This helps me to find what I want within no time. Time waits for none, and that is what I believe, and that's why I prefer organized way." Why should we hire you? If this question is asked, how would a fresher and an experienced person would reply? A fresher would say, "I applied for this position because of my readiness and development. This position is not only giving me my first chance but helping me to learn and acquire new skills. I am highly motivated to take this opportunity and dedicate myself on my job responsibilities." An experienced would say, "I applied for this position from a growth perspective. This job will help me achieve my future goals that will be adding value to my profile and the company. I am a disciplined personality who is willing to contribute immensely to the company's values, vision, and mission." Remember, these are only examples. You can modify as per your choice. What motivates you? A fresher would say, "Using my organizing skills and presence of mind to keep things handy when required. This way, I feel satisfied and motivated to do more and help others when needed. When a task is completed before time, I feel proud of myself and feel motivated to achieve more." An experienced would say, "When I use my perseverance and problem solving skills to overcome a challenge, it satisfies me internally and boosts my confidence in adding more efforts. The sense of accomplishment and motivation drives me to do a better job." You have to give your motivation story and tell them or explain them in a story format exactly how you feel motivated. How do you evaluate your success? Or how do you evaluate success? A fresher would say, "Everyone's definition of success would be different. For me, success is happiness, success is achievement, and success is when I accomplish a given task. You grow with each single project, and your professional skills will help you growing and keep performing and learning new things. Experienced would say, I evaluate success in a plethora of ways. At work, it's meeting my seniors and fellow mates' goals, taking the company to the next level, creating revolutionary changes for better work environment. Other than work, success is in achieving the tiny dreams and goals set by me and my family, whether it's a cricket match with friends and winning it or spending quality time with family during vacations as planned in the goal setting module. Next, why did you leave your last job? A fresher would say, I am eager for a change to explore new learnings and opportunities. This job really appeals to me because I was dealing with clients in developing my communication skills and time management. This further will allow me to diversify my knowledge in the desired field. Experience would say, I have learned a lot in my current role and are looking for a better opportunity to tune in and gain a new skill set. It's always a plus point to forward and grow. Likewise, you can always modify the answers as per your background. What are your strengths? This is going to be a tricky one. A fresher would say, I believe self motivation is what keeps me going. Negativity and rejection can easily put you down, but staying motivated can help achieve success and growth. Experience would say, I believe attention to detail is my biggest strength when it comes to work and professional life or personal life. Going to the nitty gritty of things when needed helps me present my job with less mistakes and more accuracy. Also, you can add some live examples wherein you have showcased your strength in your previous job. This would help to concrete or make your answer firm, and also this will help them to believe in you. What are your weaknesses? A fresher would say, being a fresher, there are certain skills I want to acquire and learn. I have public fear. When it comes to technical skills, I am okay, but when I have to stand in front of a team or huge crowd, I get cold feet. I have joined a personality development class and hoping to reduce my fears soon and create more opportunities for myself. An experience would say, I find it difficult to ask for help, getting the right support for completing my unfinished tasks sometimes become tedious. It makes me think how should I ask for help? I am reading a few books for this and I hope that soon I will resolve this problem and I will start talking and asking for help when needed. Tips for a successful answer or tips for giving successful answers in an interview. You have to be real, don't give fake answers, don't give puppet answers like once you have to mug up from the internet and then you deliver the answers. Limit the time you respond, don't just go on and on with your stories. Don't over detail with personal involvement in your answers. Stay motivated and focused. Be extremely careful of your tone and body language. As we learned that body language plays a vital role in your communication. Do remember, there are going to be some free resources towards the end where you can actually practice and write to me your answers. You can also read some books like Big Magic, Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Job Interview Tips by Overcoming Red Flags, 5 Ways to Develop Self Confidence, 15 Minutes to a Better Interview. Share if you have read any of the books related to clearing an interview, and I would be glad to hear that. Thank you. I hope you have learned something and see you soon in our last and final module of interviewing for success.